Hey guys, thanks for coming to watch The Internet Chef. Today we're going to be making hash browns with eggs. We need to start by grating potatoes and onions. This is completely possible to do by hand, but I'm going to be using a machine as it makes it much easier. I've washed these potatoes and I've taken out all the eyes, and I'm grating them on the highest speed. Peel the onions. The measurements for everything will be in the description.
We should be closer than friends. If you OBN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot.
After everything has been grated, we need to season it heavily with salt. This brings out the moisture.
First impression, you OPN.
Give it a mix to evenly disperse it. This mixture is extremely wet, so now we need to get out all the moisture. Lay down a clean tea towel and put a third of the mixture in. Twist each end opposite directions and use as much force as you possibly can.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke.
Drop it into a new bowl, and now it's ready for seasoning.
The way she's approaching us.
I'm going to be using paprika, freshly cracked black pepper. Optionally, you can add a little chili powder.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for.
And lastly, of course, some more salt. Incorporate all the seasonings.
Open up.
To a hot pan at medium-high heat, add a tablespoon of oil and a 1 centimeter thick layer of potatoes and onions. Now start to press it all together, creating one uniform hash brown. Use the back of a spoon to press the edges. After about 5 minutes, we need to flip. To flip the hash brown, take a large plate and put it over the top, and confidently flip both the plate and the pan over. Slide the hash brown back into the pan.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you on my agenda.
Crack up to 4 eggs on top of the hash brown. As I'm eating this myself, I'm only going for 2.
Take the high road and hop in.
Drop some pieces of butter all around the outside. And cover the pan with the lid if you've got one. I'm just using an upturned pan. 5 minutes later you'll have runny yolks but set whites. Slide the whole thing out onto a plate.
Open up.
Shake it about to centre it. Serve it with a big bunch of rocket. Some more freshly cracked black pepper and a little pinch of paprika. Take a video for Instagram and TikTok before taking a knife and fork and digging in. When I made this, I made extra so that I can have delicious breakfast for a few days to come, and it would only take me 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. It would be very helpful if you could take the time to leave a like and subscribe.